In this demo, I swang for the fences, meaning I took one of the biggest Deepseek models out there and I ran the same prompt I've been running with all the other demos, and it took forever. I mean, forever. So that being said, what I did is I compressed the interaction down by 5x. So it runs a lot faster in the video than it actually did as it was working itself out from the deliberation all the way to the response. Suffice it to say, it's probably one of the biggest models that I'll be working with, knowing full well that anything larger than probably 17 billion parameters is just going to crush the machine that I've got to work with, as well as my external GPU. For consistency on these model demonstrations, I use the same prompt. Tell me a story about a cherry growing. I figured it'd be easy to compare as far as the time involved in pre-processing, the deliberation or thinking, and then ultimately the output, which is the structured response. I wanted to thank you for watching this demo, and I really do want your comments and feedback in order to help improve the series of demonstrations that I do with large language models. Ultimately, without the feedback, I don't know what I'm doing well, and I don't know what I need to improve. Again, I appreciate your time, and enjoy the rest of your day. Hey, it's Tim. I wanted to give you a demonstration of running large language models locally, and just to show the power of what it might be like if you tried to run them yourself. Now, I'm going to give you a bit of a disclaimer because running large language models for generative AI is not something that every device can do. I say that mainly for the purposes of looking at laptops and certainly desktops. It's all dependent upon the age of your hardware and the overall performance, driven by a number of different things, including the processor, the memory, and the graphics processor, which is a familiar thing for gamers. So for us who are experimenting with the technology, CPU, GPU, RAM, very critical. They can enable a great experience, or they can make the experience kind of meh. So I'm going to walk you through a little bit of what I've done, and I hope you enjoy the clip.